There's nothing like immersing yourself in a culture. Taking in its landscapes, experiencing its customs, and meeting its people. But for me, the key to really knowing a culture is its food.
Y hay chile que traen, por ejemplo, de otro, es lo natural.
I've always been a lover of real food, but somewhere along the way, I was captured by the fascination in Mexico and its foundation, the humble corn tortilla. I traveled to the milpas, the molinos, and the tortillerias of Mexico, all to learn and understand the traditional cooking methods that go into creating the perfect corn tortilla.
This is a bit hard for elotes.
You want to have it fresher, but that's the season, no? Traditional food is a gateway to our past, and the practice of making corn tortillas is over 4,000 years old. Along the way, I've met some really amazing people who taught me about their history and their culture. I gained a new nickname, Blanco Niño. Inspired by the tastes, stories, and traditions of Mexico, I came back to Ireland, emboldened to make my own corn tortillas. Blanco Niño has come a long way from that original journey through Mexico. We've established our tortilleria. We've brought together a really talented, experienced, and passionate team, but we don't stand still. We don't take shortcuts. We put our heart and soul into everything we do, and we're incredibly proud of what we've created here. Our mission is to produce amazing products that are inspired by the rich and wonderful diversity of Mexico in a way that is sustainable, ethical, and supports and celebrates our partners and friends. I hope you enjoy them as much as we do.